You can see in the distance Surrey police now talking to the driver of the vehicle. I'm not sure what is going to happen to him, but it might be a reckless driving charge or felony speeding after more investigations, but I'm not really sure what's going to happen to him. Oh no. I think there's an ambulance on scene actually. I don't know, but I heard the ambulance heard the sound. You can see just from pointing our camera just over there is where police is interrogating or something. They're just checking out the drivers just to see if they're not intoxicated. If they get put in cuffs or start recording again, I'll start recording them. But for now, I'll just keep recording this. This is more interesting. He hit the pole so hard, it didn't even like fall down. Like he just ripped the whole bottom part of the pole off. That's why it's at like such an angle. You see? And you can also see like one of the pole covers just right there. It's like the cover that protects the wire. Surrey police still over there. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, they're hitting the flashlight. You can see visible smoke out of the car. So there are around like 4 people, 2 males and 2 females who are on board the vehicle. But when it happened, I think EHS took the women to the hospital for the treatment, and I think that's both the males just right over there. Even though it's 3 of them, there's 2 of them, and there's just one random guy. So I think both those are the drivers, or those were more occupants of the vehicle. I was just asleep, and then I hear this loud blast of bright lights out of my window, and I just kind of shook and froze. And then my mom rushed in, and then, yeah, she told me everything was fine. But I was so scared to even move when I heard the blast. Because literally like a minute before it actually happened, conveniently, I wake up. And then when I'm just trying to go back to sleep, I hear it, and then I'm just like, oh god. To be honest, I thought a vehicle slammed into our house. But something less worse. Back up. What is this guy? ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਊਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆ